Hey, welcome to the launch video of Timeplus Enterprise. We are very glad to share Timeplus Enterprise V2 as a GA generally available worldwide. We're not just focusing on the SaaS, we also introduced this self-hosted version. So this will be a 30-day free trial you can download easily with a single command on your Mac or Linux. Also available for Windows user through the Docker. And of course, for people using Kubernetes, there will be Helm chart. So all those features on the Timeplus cloud will be available on-prem in your own data center. And this gives you easy access to your local Kafka or databases. And you can provision as many CPU or memory as you want. Also, in this new release, we have an enhanced version of the core engine. So all the nice features in the Timeplus portal is available. And then we also introduced a new type of string, which is a mutable KV string. For those use cases that is data is very frequently updated, and you need to do some kind of delete, update filter. So the new mutable string will be much faster than the version KV and changelog in the current Timeplus portal. Let me install Timeplus Enterprise. What you need to do is as simple as running a command like this. It will download the package. If I show the file list, our core engine, the Timeplus D, is a single binary server with all the magic. We also have some components such as the web or connector or app server to provide extra REST API access, provide the NAS UI, or provide extra component connectivity. When you started for the first time, you needed to set up your account, log in with that account. This is our Timeplus Enterprise. It's already running. Let's create some sample data. For example, let's start from event chain. This is a building data generator. Say this is DevOps. I want to generate some data. You can just click run. This is a streaming CQ, and you keep getting the new results. We also have this very nice dynamic table header to give you a rough idea about the value distribution.
I love the fact that this is packaged so simply to play with on your local laptop and desktop.
Yeah, this is the key. That is, we not just want to build a powerful but also very intuitive way for people to get hands dirty with stream processing or make their life easier. You can check our website, check our documentation, and join our Slack and look forward to the feedback. Happy streaming!